Hello, Daisy. What are you doing? Not much, huh? Where's your pal? There he is. Hi, what are you doing? Want an Oreo? You do? How about you? You do? Hey, don't lick my lens. That was good. They're yummy. Of course, I'll have to break it off. Here we go. How about that? How about you? Mmm. Yummy, huh? They love me. I don't know why. I think it has a lot to do with my personality, huh? What I'm thinking. Want another one? Me too. How about you? You do? Okay. One more bone? Mmm. Hey, Daisy. One more? You have to earn this one. Okay. Yeah. How about you? Give me a kiss. There it is, right there. Yuck. Gotta be able to trust her though. You could kill me at any minute, couldn't you? Little jaws of steel. You wouldn't, would you? Sorry. Sorry. What? What? Okay, that's all for now. Come on. That's all. Off. 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 Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Baru. Baru. Nothing? Speechless, huh? Oh, yeah? What's the matter with you? Oh, I see. You're the matter with her. Okay. Say goodbye. Okay? Daisy, say goodbye. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ooh, that's what I thought. Bye now.